Hi, today is my 15th day of intermittent fasting, and today I'm going to teach you how to make lemon water. Till now, I think you're making it wrong. I want to teach you my way of making lemon water, and it's there in the YouTube also, but this is also my way. So let's say subby way of making lemon water or lemonade. So beautiful, right? Let me pour it like that. All right. Okay, I have one ready. I just wanted to throw it, just wanted to make my video different. You need a scraper, grater. So what you can do is, I've already done it here because I don't want to make my video too long, but I'll teach you. You need a grater. You put the lemon here and you just gently scrape off the zest of the lemon like this. Okay, try to be very gentle so that you want to reach the pit of the lemon, because the pit of the lemon is very bitter. We don't want that, we just want the zest. All right, so you do like that. You can do this every morning. You just scrape off the zest of the lemon. It's full of vitamin C, it's so good for you. You can use this to make lemon tea also. You can boil it and make lemon tea, but since we are making lemon water, you just take off the zest like that. Don't injure yourself, be gentle, be focused on what you are doing, because most people, like one of my friend, he just injured his hand grating like this. So I just want you to be very careful. If you're a beginner to do this, you need the grater. It has very sharp edges, so make sure you don't put your finger and grate your finger. Or if you're making a video, I'm like quite used to it because I'm a dentist. I can like close my eyes and do this, but still. All right, so it's already grated. I grated before because I didn't want to make a long video of it. Now after you grate, I'm taking another lemon which I have already grated. So here's my lemon. Okay, so what I can do is, let me take a bigger lemon, a big fat lemon. All right, I'm taking a big fat lemon. What I can do is, I can roll it like this. This is a very natural way to squeeze the lemon out, the juice out, because it's enclosed in this form. So it'll create pressure and all the liquid will come out just like that. It's a very good way. You know, you must have seen it in a lot of videos, I think, or in street food. People do this. If you don't, then you cut the lemon, okay, like this. All right, and then you squeeze it. You take out the beans, what you call seeds of the lemon out like that. Okay, with your knife. You can put the seeds, because obviously I have a sieve in my pot. It's just filter it out. It will not be in the juice, but still. All right, so what you can do is squeeze the lemon like that. See, if you're doing gym or if you're a dentist, you're more strong. I'm a dentist, so I've got very strong arms, I guess. So you just squeeze it. You squeeze more lemon in it. Okay, I like to put a lot of lemon, but people say you shouldn't drink too much strong lemon water. And then, okay, this is done. Okay, then we put all the scraped out zest in it. Okay, some people like to put part of this, but it's all squeezed out. I like to use the fresh lemon, and I like to cut the part where there is no seed, since as you can see there is so much lemon. I have so much lemon in my garden, so I just thought, why not be little bit generous or careless with them. So you cut them out like that. If you see the seed, you just take it out and put it here. Okay, now I guess we are done. We need a glass. Okay, and since I'm a dentist, I always tell you to have lemon water with a straw, because you don't want to erode your enamel. it has citric acid, so it is very like injurious to the outer surface of your teeth, and it makes it very sensitive, and it erodes, scrapes off the enamel, and the dentin is exposed, so it makes you very sensitive to hot food and cold food, and when the dentin is exposed, it's not good for you. So I think it's better to have, not I think, you should have your lemon water with a straw. Okay, so let me, you can, like, keep this liquid for a while so that everything gets out, and you can drink it whole day. You can use it as a weight loss drink, okay, before your meal. So you put it here, okay, like that, and you drink it, always with a straw, always with a straw. I've never seen in any internet any videos asking the viewers to use straw, but this is the most important thing. And since I'm a dentist, I'm going to give you this free tip, dental tip, so that you'll save your teeth. And you think you're losing weight, don't lose your teeth or your teeth enamel, and then you'll have sensitivities and stuff like that, and then you go to a dentist with a problem and you save so much money. So you should thank me. I'm giving free dental tip. I have another channel where I give free dental tip, but yesterday when I post my YouTube video, one of the people in the intermittent fasting was asking about having toothache while she was fasting. I'm going to make video of that. Please continue watching my channel. I promised I will make some video regarding that also, but here we are just talking about lemon water. So again, I'm telling you, because people forget, people watch the video, they forget. Just go buy those straws. Okay, now the benefits. Now I'm going to talk about benefits of lemon water. It improves your mood. Obviously it has lemon in it, and it's so good for your overall health. It refreshes and re-energizes you, especially in this hot summer weather. So everybody's in most countries, they have lemonades. You can have it without the sugar and salt, but some people, there are so many ways to have your lemon. It really controls your body temperature, and it also, let me have some, it also relieves fatigue. That is so good, because sometimes you feel so, after you come from shopping, you feel fatigued and tired. If you have a refreshing lemon drink, this is, you just keep it in the fridge and drink it. So good for you. It also aids in weight loss. As you can see, I'm losing weight. I'm having lemon water every day, and I'm giving you so much tip. This is my 15th day of intermittent fasting. I didn't mention it in the video. I should have. Anyways, it's my 15th day of intermittent fasting. I'm doing 14-hour fast, and I'm eating 10-hour, eating in 10-hour windows. And did you know it has a lot of minerals in it, like magnesium, potassium, and it does help you to cure headache. I've given you a whole long lecture that how lemon and vitamin C can prevent stroke in your body. So please go over to my video and watch that. I don't want to get into the complicated stuff today. Just want to make a very relaxing video. And it also balances the pH in your gut, and it helps, especially if you have constipation. Drink it first thing in the morning. You will thank me for it. You have it in lukewarm water, and it acts as a laxative. It cleans your tummy. And if you drink it with a bit hot water, the acid in the lemon just gets very high. So I prefer you just to drink it in the morning before your breakfast, but with lukewarm water. You can even add honey in it, but I prefer you use it just natural lemon without anything. And if you feel dizzy, you can put pink salt, Himalayan salt. So good for you. And other thing, what does lemon do? It helps in to prevent cancer in your body. It prevents kidney stones, and it reduces your cholesterol, because if you eat a lot of fatty food and protein like chicken and fatty, beef, and every kind of fat, ghee, butter, if you are eating that, if you eat lemon water at night, it helps your gut to digest it. So good, no? And it reduces your cholesterol. It improves your bone health if you're working out, if you do gym, and it improves your skin. Believe me, my skin glows when I'm drinking lemon water. Your friends are going to get so jealous because it helps. I told you, lemon water has vitamin C, and when you have vitamin C in the body, collagen loss is prevented and loose skin is prevented, and you look young and fresh. Drink it before you're going for a date or going to a party. Drink a lot. I've seen some actors drinking lemon water before whole day, you know. And last last thing is, it will help your uh, oral health to improve. How so? Because vitamin C deficiency will cause scurvy. Scurvy is a bleeding gum. It's a condition which happens when you are not having enough vitamin C in your diet. So when you brush and rub your gums, it becomes red and it bruises and it bleeds. Other than that, it stops from nose bleeding and so many things. Let's not go over that. I've told you lots of benefits of lemon. I think that will make you greedy enough to have this every morning or before every meal to lose weight. Look at me, I'm losing. I'm showing you every day. It's been the 15th day I'm doing intermittent fasting, and I think I'm the only person in the YouTube who is posting video every day. I make it a point of post video every day, no matter how busy. This video is getting so long. So bye everyone, and see you.